Oh, hey, hi there. So I have recorded this several times and I just can't seem to get it out there, but I wanted to get out a status update and a kind of a wrap up of 2022. So what I'm doing is that I am revising my website, which I've redone my branding and most of that is completed. I've included a gallery page in addition to my collections page. That way you can go to one page and just see all the art. I'm going to be adding some additional sales channels such as prints. I had been doing limited edition. I'm going to be doing some open-ended prints, merchandise, and producing more classes in 2023. So in 2022, I did double my sales revenue from 2021, so that was good. I sold 126 original paintings and it made well, not probably, I made over 2,000 in original art sales, over 1,600 in my online classes, and then another 100 or so for Redbubble and Amazon merchandise that sold. So I really enjoyed selling my originals, and that was my biggest income stream in 2022. But when I went on vacation in July, everything just came to kind of a dead halt because, if you're making your money selling original paintings and you quit painting, you're not making any money. So that didn't work out so great for me. So in 2023, I'm going to be changing the focus of my art business to be more on production and producing. Rather than producing originals for sale, I'm going to be producing classes and more on the a wider distribution of my art. Because the other thing that I found when I made the gallery page as I was revising my website was that the quality of my artwork has actually gone down. What a bummer, right? In my mind, at least. And I attribute that to I was having such a hard time. I was selling so many originals and they were selling so fast that I was having a hard time keeping up with the demand. And so then it just, I was just producing work to sell because it was selling and I just wanted to make money. And I made money, but I wasn't taking the time to produce art that I'm proud of. So I feel like it led to diminished quality in my work. Well, which makes sense, right? Faster production, less quality. So in 2023, I'm going to focus more on quality over quantity and more passive income streams so that if I take a vacation, I'm not out of business because I no longer make any money. So anyway, that's status update. Talk to you later. Bye.